guide how to clear CMOS. Remove jumper and put the jumper to 2 and 3 pins position. After put the jumper in 2 to 3 positions, wait 5 to 10 minutes and then remove the CMOS battery. Push to unclip the CMOS battery, then remove and wait 5 to 10 minutes and install again the CMOS battery. After 5 to 10 minutes, put the CMOS battery. After 5 to 10 minutes, remove the jumper from 2 to 3 pins, then install to 1 and 2 pins the jumper. The clear CMOS procedure is already done. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thank you.
Wow.